Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, let's take a look at what we will be expecting for gold for the 26th, that is for the next day. So, if you are yet to follow our Telegram channel, we are currently giving an update, back-to-back updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So there we will be giving you guys an instant update if you need it on our Telegram. So you have to follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting of gold. So yeah, I did analysis for you guys. I told you guys that gold is definitely going to drop for the 25th. You clearly can see gold dropped, right? So gold for for the 25th, you can see that gold gave us about 300 plus pips movement to the downside. I mean, if you were following this channel consistently, if you were following my analysis back to back, you would have made a lot of money from this sell, which I predicted. Even before that, we predicted a sell from this level here, which from here. And guess what? We are still heading downward. So our targets, our long-term targets on gold is to a level of 2291. So basically, we are expecting it to drop to this resistance, so this support level. Now, this is one of the reasons why we are going to that support level. Is that when you zoom it out, let's go to the daily time frame. You can see that we've been going bullish. Let's start from this 2022 year, from 2022 year. Gold has literally been going bullish to the upside. Then it got to a certain place where it is now ranging. So markets came here to test this our first line, which we will call as our resistance. Then when markets dropped, it came to test this our support. Then it came up to this our resistance level. It tested our resistance. Then again, it dropped to test our support, and then again, it came to test this our resistance. So, guys, also, I told you guys that market is likely to break above this level. If you were a consistent follower of this channel, if you are not, I would advise you to actually subscribe so you can stay updated, and also follow our Telegram to stay updated on this move. Now, when markets go to this level, I told you guys one thing will happen, something is going to happen, which means market is going to break above this resistance level to take out a lot of people's stop loss, because a lot of people are projecting a sell from here, because this is the resistance, and markets did exactly what I predicted it to do. And guess what again? I also predicted that it will drop to a level of 2423. I also gave that update on the Telegram channel. I mean, it is still there. I told you guys that it will drop to a level of 2423, and it did what? It dropped exactly to that level. Now our next level is to this support level. So basically, gold will be dropping to a level of 2290. So we still have about 700 pips left on gold. So if you are not on this gold trade, it will be best you actually hop in on this trade so you can take the sell. Or you can possibly wait for a pullback if you want. A pullback is likely to happen, then another drop. Reason is that if you take a look at it, we are actually trending to this support level. You can see it is actually trending downward to this support level. So when you have to zoom it in, you'll see that this was our first lower lows. Then here is our lower highs. Here is our lower lows here, and here is our lower highs that came back to test this our support, our resistance level, which is at the level of 2423, and now a new lower lows has been formed. So what gold is going to be doing is another lower highs, a pullback. Then we will continue the movement to the downside till it eventually tap our support level. So basically, gold will be trending to the downside.